Hello everyone. Today we'll interactive BBL Analysis Dashboard on Power BI using BBL Analysis dataset which I download from Kaggle. My dashboard contains 3 pages, which are match stats, batting stats, and bowling stats. BBL stands for Big Bash League. It's a T20 cricket league held in Australia. Let us first start with match stats. Here you can see for matches I used New Slicer. It's a match date Jan 21 Thursday. The strikers won by 82 runs. The match location. And if you need to know winners by team playing, here you can see Hobart Hurricane stands first with 392 match winnings. For everything I used cards here. For almost here I used clustered column chart for displaying winners by team playing. Let us jump into our next page, which is batting stats. Here you can see total runs by team, total runs by player, teams. For this I used slicer. Same slicer for batsman names, bats and match details. Here you can see the match date, match time, match location, total force by batsman, total 6 by batsman, strike rate, total balls faced, average based on teams, average score based on stadium. For used clustered column chart for top 5 batsmen with highest strike rates. You can see Nicholas Puran stands first and Badri stands second. And if we need to filter based on teams, first 12th match, which is it. And here you can see the average based on teams. Total balls faced 18. Total runs on this match is 13. And he is bowled by Yasir Shah, the way of dismissal. And let us jump into our last page, which is bowling stats. In this page, you can see the same total runs conceded by teams, which is the total runs, total wickets taken by team. You can see match details, match date, match time, match location, match details for filtering, economy, overs by bowler, total overs bowled by bowler, total wickets by bowler, total maidens by bowler, and total wides by the bowler, total number of balls by bowler, and total runs considered by the bowler. Here you can see the top 5 bowlers based on wickets. I used clustered column chart for top 5 bowlers based on economy too. I click on here and retrieve. Here you can see if I need to filter based on the team, just press pan, as well as the match details. Click on 18th match. Need to know about Matthew. You can see overs ball 1, total wickets 3 wickets, maiden over 0. And it's Mark Thickety. Here you can see on ball. Total wickets he took 3 wickets on that match. Total runs considered 27 with an economy of 6.80. And that's all about this dashboard. Thank you.